Here are the list of 5 best house cleaning apps.
1.
Number 1. Best cleaning app for families, OurHome. Here are some good points of this one. Easy to use. Perfect for the entire family, kids included. Free with no ads. Here are some bad points of this one. No functioning calendar view. Kids need an email address to use the app. You can check out the link in description box.
2.
Number 2. Best housekeeping widget, Do. Here are some good points of this one. Minimalistic design. Easy to add tasks quickly. Add a widget to your phone's home screen. Here are some bad points of this one. Must double tap to complete tasks. Lots of ads unless you pay to remove them. You can check out the link in description box. Also, if you are enjoying it, then please like this video.
3.
Number 3. Simplest housekeeping app, Home Cleaning. Here are some good points of this one. No distracting bells and whistles. Complete list of housekeeping chores to keep you on track. Here are some bad points of this one. The app moves a bit slow when moving down the checklist. No Android version. You can check out the link in description box.
4.
Number 4. Reward kids for completing chores, Homey. Here are some good points of this one. Set goals for everyone in the app quickly and easily. Pay inside of the app to transfer allowance or rewards for chores completed. Kid-friendly. Here are some bad points of this one. Due to the banking connections that make the app work, there's a monthly or yearly subscription requirement. Limited free features. You can check out the link in description box.
5.
Number 5. Properly care for your garments, laundry day. Here are some good points of this one. Scan clothing tags with the built-in scanner. Make sense of laundry symbols on garments. Here are some bad points of this one. Icons are small on the screen and may be difficult to read. No free version. You can check out the link in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the red subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel.